Assume that a randomly selected subject is given a bone density test. Those test scores are normally distributed with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. Draw a graph and find the probability of a bone density test score between negative 2.01 and 2.01. So, first thing you want to do is draw the bell curve. Okay, so drawing the bell curve with the standard normal distribution tells us that we have a mean of 0 and again a standard deviation of 1. So therefore here is the mean of 0. And so we want to find the probability in between those two z-scores. And so we have a z-score of negative 2.01. We'll call that z-score 1. And then over here we have z-score 2, which is 2.01. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to find the area of this shaded region here. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. We're going to shade everything that's in between here, and then we want to find the probability of that area. So what we're looking for is the following. Probability of the first z-score, which is negative 2.01. Okay, and that's going to be in between to positive 2.01, and we want to find the area of that. So let's go ahead and use StatCrunch. We're going to open this up in a StatCrunch. Okay, and then we're going to go up to Stat, select Calculators, and then go to Normal Distribution. We know that our mean is 0 and our standard deviation is 1, and we want to make sure that we're looking for the between values, so we're going to select between, and then we're going to put those values in there. So again, it's negative 2.01 and positive 2.01. So negative 2.01 and then positive 2.01. Now let's select Compute, and now we can see that it looks like our drawing or our sketch there. And then let's go ahead and copy this. Okay, and so now what we want to do is we want to find the area and then round this to 4 decimal places. So if we round it to 4 decimal places, this is 0.9556. So therefore, the probability that's in between those two scores is 0.9556. Let's go ahead and answer our questions. So the first thing is we have to identify the sketch. Well, you can see here it's not the first one because this goes too far. This one goes too far left. Looks like it's C because this is what is in between. So we're going to select C. There's our answer. Okay, now we're going to put in the probability. Now again, the probability is 0.9556, 0.9556, and that gives us our answer.